feel like I have balls in my teeth. Okay. 2 videos, one day. What? Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Reese. I don't know why I grab my tits every time I say that. I am your chef, Reese, and today we're gonna make a vegan peanut butter pie. Girl, you know about the peanut butter pie. You just throw some shit together, you whip it up, and you take it to a potluck, and you're like, oh, I'll make this peanut butter pie. I slaved over this. Girl, you didn't do shit. That was like nothing. So we're gonna veganize it for you today. Now, if you guys haven't heard, my e-cookbook is on sale. Oh, show this. It is on sale on Etsy. So 10% off if you use code Cookie Monster. Okay. 46 recipes. There's gluten-free recipes in there as well. Secret recipes from a vegan bakery. It's delicious. It's great. Grand. Wonderful. And let's throw up a shot of boop. We have snow today, so I wanted to make something like comfort foodie, delicious sweet treat. Oh my god. So we're going to make this vegan peanut butter pie, and let's look at everything. Let's jump in. First things first is we have to mix together some ingredients. So we're going to start with a vegan cream cheese replacement. I'm using Go Veggie this time. This is an 8-ounce package. Use your favorite. Like, I don't really care. You do you. This is just easily found at my grocery store. And then to that, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of vegan powdered sugar. If you guys don't know how to find vegan powdered sugar, you can make your own if you buy my cookbook. Oh my god. Link is in the description. And then I'm going to add a cup of a natural peanut butter where the only ingredients are peanuts. I'm using chunky because I quite like the textural component to this pie, but you can certainly use creamy. I feel like traditionally creamy is used, but I don't know. I like the crunch. You gotta like the little crunch. So now we're gonna pull out our handy dandy hand mixer. Voila. And we're just gonna beat this up until nice and smooth. I mean, obviously it's not gonna be super smooth because you got the chunky chunks, but you feel me, smooth me. Now we're going to fold in some vegan whipped topping. So I'm using So Delicious. Again, this is the one that I could find. I actually had to travel for this bad boy, and all they had left was the light. And like, fucking, I don't know, I'm just gonna use it because that's what they had. But like, you can use regular, I don't really care what you do. But this is 9 ounces. So instead of beating it in there, we want to kind of keep it a little bit light and fluffy. So we're gonna fold our, oh my god, girl, look at this. I just want to bathe in it. We're gonna, hold on, let me get that. Let me get it all out. Don't waste any, you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. What a segue. So you're gonna go down the middle and around the outside like Julia Childs. Down the middle and around the outside. Oh my god. Now we're going to take our pre-prepared Oreo crust that we just picked up at the grocery store because I'm not doing that shit myself. Girl, I'm lazy. And we're just going to go ahead and pour this in here. You can obviously make your own, whatever sort of crust you want. I quite like the chocolate and peanut butter. Hello, Reese's used to be my favorite jam. We're going to pour this guy in there and spread it around. Spread them. What is that, Super Troopers? I can't. I'm just like, I love that movie. I haven't seen the second one. Have you seen the second one? Is it good? Is it worth it? Let me know below. Then we're just going to pop this bad boy in the fridge so it sets, so this inner bonanza sets up. And then I'm going to make a little, I might make a little chocolate ganache drizzle to go over top. I want to do a little bit of a ganache drizzle on top of my peanut butter pie. So okay, so if you've seen my recipes before and you've seen my easy vegan truffles, we're doing the same sort of concept as the middle of the truffle. But what I did is instead of doing 3/4 cup of the vegan chocolate chips, I'm only going to do 1/2 cup because I want it to be a bit softer than the truffles, which are already soft. But so I have 1/4 cup of non-dairy milk that I heated in the microwave for a minute. This is almond milk, unsweetened, original plain almond milk. You can use any shit you want. So I have 1/2 cup of the vegan chocolate chips. And then I'm just going to mix this together until everything melts. As you can see, it's still a little liquidy because it's so super hot. So I'm going to kind of let this hang out and cool down just a little bit before I drizzle it on. As you can see, our ganache has firmed up a little bit more. Now that it's been hanging out, it's not as liquidy. So I took a Ziploc bag, put it in a cup to help me pour it in there. And then we're just going to pour our ganache like a soa. And then we're going to take it out. Do a little shaky shake. Kind of, bunch it around like a piping bag. I mean, it's like it's in place of a piping bag. You know what I mean? And go to our corner. Snip the end off. Get your pie. Oh my God, I sounded like, I don't know, one of the Winifred sisters or something. That was awkward. And then we're just gonna drizzle a bitch. Oh my God, I'm gonna do a lot of drizzling because I have a lot of ganache and I want to eat it and I like chocolate. And oh my God, I should have just poured it on there because holy shit, it's literally just gonna be poured on ganache, which you can certainly do. Okay, then we're gonna pop this back in the fridge, let it firm up, cut a bitch, eat it. Hello. You guys, tell me that don't look like your legit old school peanut butter pie. Okay, so I already tasted it because I ain't gonna play with you, but it's like let me run in place. If you jog in place while you eat, you don't gain the calories and the fat, right? I'm just kidding. It tastes so legit. The only thing I would say that's a little bit different about it is a little bit of that coconutty whipped cream comes through. I don't know if you know this, but girl, I don't normally like coconut, but I enjoy that accent of flavor of the peanut butter and chocolate. Oh, and the crunchy bits of the chunky peanut butter. Look, if you want to do creamy, like you do you. Like, who am I to fucking tell you what to do? With that chunky bits, I really like that extra added texture. I've never had peanut butter pie that way before. So, if you want the full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below. MidnightMunchies@more.com. If you like this recipe, if you like what I got to offer, girl, hit that like button. Follow me on social media. If you make my recipes, share them with me. I'm dying. Greg's like a bent over. Greg's a bent over in laughter right now. I'm a silly bitch. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And I don't know, just fucking do it. Like, what do you got to do in life? Like, what does it matter to you if you hit that subscribe button? Okay. And I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.